Curious about how AI can help you work faster and think bigger? You're in the perfect spot. We explore new platforms, smart automations, and creative shortcuts anyone can use. No complicated explanations, just real tools you can apply right away.
Okay, I think I just found one of the cleanest productivity tools I've seen in a while. Imagine opening your inbox and instead of feeling stressed, overwhelmed, and behind, it actually feels like your email is working for you. This is Superhuman, and it's basically trying to turn email into a superpower. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're checking out a tool called Superhuman, and if you've never heard of it before, it's basically a productivity suite that includes email, writing help, AI tools, and even workspace features, all built to make you faster. And what's interesting is it's not just an email app. It's more like an AI productivity system that works everywhere you work. So let's jump in and I'll show you what I found. So right away on the homepage, Superhuman's whole message is basically superpowers everywhere you work. And honestly, that's exactly how it feels. It's not just email. They're positioning this as a full suite that includes Mail, Grammarly, Coda, and something called Superhuman Go. And they keep emphasizing that the AI works across apps and tabs, which is a big deal, because most AI tools feel isolated. Superhuman is trying to feel like a layer on top of your daily workflow. Now let's be real. The biggest problem most people have isn't that they can't send emails. The problem is, email becomes this never-ending black hole. You open your inbox, and suddenly, you forget what you were doing, you start replying to random stuff, you get distracted, and somehow 20 minutes disappears. Superhuman is basically built for people who want to move through email fast, stay organized, and respond without overthinking everything. So when you log in, you get this clean dashboard that literally says, "Welcome back, choose an app to get started." And you can instantly pick between Go, Grammarly, Coda, Mail. It feels like you're entering a productivity command center. Everything is minimal, smooth, and honestly, it looks premium. No clutter, no confusing menus, just clean. Now the biggest highlight here is definitely Superhuman Mail. They call it the most productive email app ever made. And from what's shown, the focus is speed. The features they highlight include responding faster to what matters most, following up on time, writing with AI that sounds like you, and saving time every week. And I like that they're not trying to make it flashy. It's more like, this is email, but upgraded, like email on steroids. Next is Grammarly, and they position it as everyone's favorite AI writing partner, which makes sense because Grammarly is already huge. But the cool part is Superhuman bundles it into the suite, so your writing, emails, and messages can all stay consistent. So you're not constantly copy-pasting text into another AI tool. It's built into the workflow. That's the whole theme here. Then we have Coda, which they describe as the all-in-one AI workspace for teams. So this looks more like team organization stuff, pages, docs, planning, workflows. Basically, this is for people who want something like Notion-style productivity, but with a more structured workspace feel. So if you're managing projects, tasks, and internal documentation, Coda fits into that. And then there's Superhuman Go, which they describe as AI that actually works in every app you use. That's the part that's interesting, because most AI tools are like, open a separate chat, paste your text, ask it something, but Go looks like it's trying to follow you everywhere, like an assistant that lives across your apps. That's the vibe they're pushing hard. All right, now let's talk pricing, because this is where a lot of people are going to decide if it's worth it. Based on the pricing screenshot, Superhuman has 4 plans. Free plan, $0 USD, includes Mail, Grammarly, Coda, and Go. Pro plan, $12 US per member/month billed annually, or $30 when billed monthly. Business plan, $33 US per member/month billed annually, or $40 when billed monthly. Enterprise plan, custom pricing, and you request early access. So yeah, you can start free, but the real power clearly kicks in with Pro and Business. My honest first impression, this doesn't feel like one of those random AI tools that just launched last week. Superhuman feels like a product that's been designed for people who take productivity seriously, like founders, teams, creators, managers. It's clean, it's structured, and the branding is insanely polished. Even the UI just screams premium. So yeah, that's Superhuman. If you're someone who lives in your inbox every day and you want something that feels faster, smarter, and way more organized than normal email, This might honestly be worth checking out. If you want, I can also do a deeper breakdown of the mail features and the AI workflow inside it. So drop a comment if you want a part 2. And if this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.